Hi everyone, Steve here. I wanted to share some thoughts on how your child can make the best use of the summer before senior year. Of course, at this point, your child may already have some plans. Maybe it's an internship, maybe it's a summer job. Whatever it is, I hope it's not sitting on the couch playing video games or watching TV. There are plenty of ways that your child can make a productive use of the summer, and so I wanted to share a few of those ideas with you today. One of them, of course, would be to get a job. Any job at all. Doesn't have to be impressive. It could be at the concession stand at the local pool. Doesn't matter as long as it shows discipline and helps your child build some work experience, demonstrating responsibility and so on. Another thing to consider is potentially an internship. Your child could get an internship at a local college or university with a professor, especially if your child is looking to go into the STEM fields, math and science. A research internship at a local college is a great thing to do, and of course can potentially lead to a recommendation letter and an essay topic as well. And how do you get these internships? You basically have your child email several professors at a variety of local colleges. Emailing 5 to 10 people even is not too many. You only need one, but since your odds are low with any given professor, it makes sense to email a lot of them. Of course, don't spam them though. Send them something personalized in nature. If your child is not in the STEM fields, more in the humanities, then it's possible that something entrepreneurial could be useful. So maybe your child could start a local tutoring business, teaching kids the SAT or the ACT, or if that's not your child's strong suit, maybe teaching academics to younger kids, kids in elementary school and kids in middle school. This also demonstrates discipline, drive, and responsibility, and can also have the makings of a great personal statement or college essay topic. Speaking of which, of course, the summer is a great time to start thinking about those college essays. It's never too early to start drafting an essay because the best essays go through multiple rounds of edits, and it takes time. The best writing takes time. So if your child starts thinking about essays now in June, July, that's totally fine. You can put them away for a week or a month, come back to them with a fresh perspective and a fresh set of eyes, helping your child break out of that sort of tunnel vision that can often arise. It's easier to be critical of your own writing when you have some distance from it. And of course, time is an element of distance. And so putting it away for a week or a month, your child may be less tied to particular details or ideas and more willing to edit or revamp or even potentially start over altogether. Of course, I'm biased talking about college applications for the summer because since this is what I do. So I do want to end with one other idea about how to spend the summer. Your child could take college courses at a local community college. Doesn't matter what it is. It's good to have it on the transcript, on the record, that your child is doing college level work and proving him or herself that he or she is committed to this topic, committed to academics, and can perform well in a college environment. So this is yet another way to demonstrate that. And some of these college courses are pretty short. They could even be as short as a month or two, so they still work well with whatever travel plans you may have. And of course, a local community college may be more affordable than a private one, and so maybe getting some credits at the community college can also help you save some money. So that's another thing to think about. Anyway, hope you found this helpful. Please feel free to reach out if you need anything at all. You can email me at steve@collegeadmissionstoolbox.com. I love hearing from families and I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.